the channel. Today we are looking at the stock price of CEA Techno Industries with the ticker symbol CEAD. Today CEA Industries is up 70% and trading at $1.74. Earlier in the day, the stock went as high as $2.48 a share and now dropped to $1.74 a share. CEA Industries Inc. engages in the development, design, and distribution of cultivation technologies for controlled environment agriculture, primarily for cannabis crops. It offers controlled climate systems, controls, and biosecurity cultivation products, and MEP engineering, odor control, and installation support services. The company was founded by Brandy Marie Keene and Stephen Keene on October 15, 2009, and is headquartered in Louisville, Colorado. The company has 31 employees. So what is actually driving the stock price of CEA Industries is that they actually, I think they signed a deal with another company, and that gives them a potential to grow their income. So let's see here if I can find what that company was. So yes, we have it right here. So Cerna Cultivation Technologies secures letter of intent from Green Brothers Farm for a potential $10 million in revenues. So CEA Industries, a subsidiary of Cerna Cultivation Technologies, a leader in controlled environment agriculture, which is CEA, Controlled Environment Agriculture, Systems, Engineering, and Technologies, today announced it has entered into a letter of intent to provide products and mechanical engineering services over 5 phases with Green Brothers Farm Inc., a family-owned and operated farm that is developing a 26-acre site exclusively for indoor cannabis cultivation. CEA Industries anticipates contract revenues of approximately $10 million over an estimated 2 to 3 year period. The initial contract, valued at $1.2 million, is for the first phase of products and services and is planned to be completed by early Q4 2022. And this came out on the 21st of June 2022. So that came out just today. So that's what I believe is the main driver for the increase in the stock price of CEA Industries today. So with that in mind, I will jump off here and allow you guys to put in your trades, and I will catch you guys on the next video. So don't forget, on your way out, smash that subscribe button. That way we can keep updating you guys on what's happening on Wall Street. This is a very beautiful return for those, even those who caught this a little late. You can see the 5-day graph for CEA Industries. Initially, today we had a dip on Friday just at the close of market. And then today it just skyrocketed all the way up to $2.48 before dropping to $1.76, like you see right now on your screen. I will catch you guys on the next one. Thanks for your time, and bye.